Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you some few settings or some few things that you can do to your phone, to your Android device, that can be able to help it to charge faster. So maybe if you are experiencing your phone charging a little slower and it's not good for you. So before you go ahead to take the phone to a technician to change maybe the charging port or whatsoever, you should apply these few tricks to see if it will help your phone to improve the charging speed. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do here is, if you are charging your phone, or maybe if you want to charge your phone and you know that you won't be having any you won't be expecting any call anytime soon from anyone or whatsoever, you can just turn on your airplane mode. Okay, you just put your phone to airplane mode. Once you put your phone to airplane mode, it will cease all network connection. So once there is no network connection, there is no service, it helps to improve the charging speed of your phone. So that's it for that one. Now the second thing you're going to do is that if you're using a Tecno device, like this my phone here is Tecno device, so you should be able to enable your fast power charging mode. Now how you can do that, you just go to phone manager right here, just click on it. And after clicking, you look for battery, yeah, battery manager, like this one over here. Just click on it. Now after clicking, okay, let's assume you put your phone in a light. So let me just get my charger. Okay, so here's my charger, so I'm just going to plug it in. Okay, set safe charging on. Now you now go to your phone manager, just click on it. This phone manager, as you can phone master, you can see it there, phone master. So you just so now after entering your phone master, you just have to look for battery manager. This is it over here, so just click on it. So after clicking it, you see super charging, so you need to turn it on. So just click on super charging. See that my phone is at 75%. So after turning this super fast charging on, you just keep your phone, and you notice that this super fast charging will be able to help your phone to charge faster than it used to. So that is it. Now another thing we are also going to do here is, you need to put your phone to ultra power saving mode if your phone has that option in. So you need to put it in ultra power saving mode. You can remove it from this airplane mode if you want, or you can still leave it there. So but you put it on ultra power saving mode. Now why you are going to put it in this, just enable it. Now why you put it in this ultra power saving mode is that said issue, no access, no location access, should turn location access, so just turn it on. Okay, why you should put it in this ultra power saving mode is that, as you can see here, there is no app working. There's no app working in the background. You can't be able to click any app apart from this ones that is here. Apart from maybe you want to make call, or you want to send message or receive message or check your calendar. That's it. That's the only thing you can be able to do with your device once you put it in ultra power saving mode. So this ultra power saving mode will help to block all background activities. Maybe if there is any app reading in your phone background, it will makes it to slow down the process of charging. So what this power ultra power saving mode will do is to block all apps. So your phone will just be like it's a non-smartphone. You get it. So it will help it to increase the speed of the charging. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If this video was really helpful to you, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, I'll see you on my next video.